If you don't have a welder or you don't like to weld, you can fix rust holes with fiberglass cloth and achieve a long-lasting repair if it's done correctly. The tools and materials for this repair will be listed in the video description if you're interested. The first step is to remove the paint and rough up the metal really good, because fiberglass depends on a mechanical bond. A 24 grit or 36 grit fiber resin disc works great for that, and I'd like to thank Greg from Autobody Training Solutions on YouTube for sending me out a bunch of these. We're in good shape with these rust holes because the metal surrounding them is still very strong. We'll mix the resin up at 6 drops of MEK to 1 tablespoon of resin. 21, 22, 23, 24. And I'm going to do 3 layers. And it's hot today, so we're going to work pretty fast. Now obviously the more layers, the stronger it's going to be. And you just want it saturated nicely, you know. And I tap so that I don't move the sheets around too much. If you wipe, they move. Now I'll just put a nice amount right there in the middle. Now I'll cut some for that. And we'll put one more little one right here just to use up the resin. We'll let this harden overnight and I'll be back. After letting it dry, we'll sand it, prime it, and paint it. The underside will be wire brushed or sandblasted, seam sealed, and undercoated. I hope you enjoyed this video on repairing rusted floorboards with fiberglass. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.